Save your eggshells and save your egg cartons, because I'm going to show you how to make fire lighters from your egg cartons and a supplement and a fertilizer from your eggshells. To make the supplement and the fertilizer, first we are going to put the eggshells into a pot and we are going to bring that to a boil to kill off any bacteria. Now the eggshells have come to a boil and I've put them on a baking tray and I'm going to bake them in the oven for about 10-15 minutes at 180 degrees, just until they're brittle. While that's baking away, I'll explain to you some of the benefits of eggshells as a supplement. Eggshells are almost made up of entirely calcium carbonate. This is good for your bones, your teeth and your fingernails. It is also high in protein, magnesium and selenium, and apparently selenium is very good for your joints. The recommended daily dose is about 800 to 1000 milligrams, which is about a teaspoon of this supplement that we're making. That's baked and brittle, and now I'm going to blend it. Now that's not going to be enough to get it into the powder form, so I'm just going to crush it here. And there you have it, your own calcium carbonate supplement. And as you can see, there are tons of servings here. Now, if you don't fancy eating it, I did tell you that you can use this as a fertilizer, and let me just show you how I use it as a fertilizer in my garden. Now I've transferred it into a jar, and your soil and your crops are gonna thank you because it is high in calcium and they are going to love it. About every 10 days, just sprinkle it over your crops, like so, and watch the magic happen. Now for the fire lighters, I have saved some lint from the dryer and have put some in each of the different pockets. If you don't have a dryer, that's all right, you can use cotton pads, it's gonna have the exact same effect. Now get a non-scented candle and melt it down. Now while that's melting, I'm gonna take off the carton label, and this can also be used in the fire. It's an excellent fire starter. Now the wax has come to a boil and I'm just gonna carefully pour a little bit into each individual pocket here. I'm gonna let that cool and then I'll show you the results when it's done. Now that the fire lighters are cooled, I've cut them up and they look a little bit like this. If you don't have a stove but you camp, these are excellent when you are camping and want to start a fire in a place that you are allowed to start a fire. That is the most important thing to say. I took these while camping and they worked out tremendous in the outdoors, and it was I remember one particular day, it was very wet and they worked really well.